Hello students, this video is regarding the introduction of COVID-19, important dates related to it and the basic structure of coronavirus. So why COVID-19? So Co stands for corona, V stands for virus, I stands for infectious, D stands for disease, and why 19? Because it started in 2019. It is also called SARS-CoV-2 because the first outbreak of coronavirus was in 2013 and it caused disease which is severe acute respiratory syndrome, and the virus which is causing this disease again in 2019 is genetically same. So now it is called as SARS-CoV-2. Now the important dates. So these dates are important from exam point of view. So the first case of COVID-19 that is caused by a novel coronavirus was reported in Wuhan city, China, December 2019. 31st December 2019, China informs WHO that patients are having mysterious pneumonia. Then 1st January 2020, Hunan seafood market in Wuhan was shut down. The first case was found in this market. Then 4th January 2020, the WHO announced working at 3 levels, that is country office, regional office and headquarters. Then 7th January 2020, the strain was named novel coronavirus. January 11, 2020, the first death was reported due to COVID-19. 61-year-old man in Wuhan died and he was a regular customer to Hunan seafood market. Then 13th January 2020, the first case was confirmed outside China, that was reported in Thailand. Then 30th January 2020, WHO declared public health emergency and first case of corona was reported in India and in Kerala. 20-year-old girl, she was student of Wuhan University, was the first case of corona in India. Then 2nd February 2020, first death of COVID-19 patient outside China, that is in Philippines, and India confirms second case of COVID-19 in Kerala. Then 7th February 2020, Dr. Li Wenlang, a Chinese doctor who raised alarm about this disease. Then 11th February 2020, this is important date because COVID-19 word was used on this date, that is an acronym for coronavirus disease 2019, and International Committee of Taxonomy of Virus adopted the official name, that is severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus, that is also known as SARS-CoV-2. Then 17th February 2020, WHO issued guidelines on mass gathering and taking care of COVID-19 hit travelers. 18th February 2020, WHO provided 21 countries with personal protective equipment, that is PPE. Then 5th March 2020, WHO launched Be Ready campaign for COVID-19, urging people to be safe, smart and kind to the COVID-19 patients. 7th March 2020, the positive cases they crossed more than 1 lakh and 100 countries were affected by this time. 11th March 2020, WHO declared COVID-19 as pandemic. 12th March 2020, the first death was reported in India due to COVID-19. Then 22nd March 2020, India observed Janata curfew for a day. Then 24th March 2020, the Tokyo Olympics were postponed for a year until 2021, and Indian Prime Minister Modi announced 21-day lockdown in India. Now comes the introduction of COVID-19. So it belongs to family Coronaviridae. The subfamily is Coronaviridae and genera is beta coronavirus. So it is important, the family is Coronaviridae and genera is beta coronavirus. So it is noble beta coronavirus. It can be round, elliptical or often pleomorphic in shape. The radius of this virus is 30 to 60 nanometer, that is radius, and diameter is double, that is 60 to 140 nanometer, and in microns the diameter is 0.06 to 0.14 microns. It has spike on its outer surface. These are 9 to 12 mm length, and this virus is sensitive to UV light and heat. Now next comes the structure of COVID-19. So it can be elliptical, round or pleomorphic. So the basic structure includes the nucleocapsid. Then comes the RNA, which is single stranded RNA, also important exam question. Then comes the envelope protein, which is denoted by E. Then comes the membrane protein denoted by M. Then comes the spike glycoproteins. These are very important proteins denoted by S. Then comes the hemagglutinin esterase dimers. So we will discuss these structure one by one. So first comes the spike protein denoted by S. Those spike proteins, they binds to ACE2 receptor of host cell, that is target cells. Then there are conformational changes in the spike protein which leads to the fusion of the envelope with the host cell. So basically spike proteins, they help in the fusion of virus to the host cell. Okay, so by this fusion there is entry of virus to the host cell. So this protein is very important. This help in the entry of virus to the host cell. Now next comes the envelope protein, which is denoted by a E. So it is smallest of all protein and it is mysterious. The protein is located at endoplasmic reticulum, the Golgi apparatus and endoplasmic reticulum Golgi intermediate compartment. It participates in virus assembly and budding. So why this protein is important for virus production and maturation. The recombinant coronaviruses that are engineered coronavirus, they lack this E protein, also a important question. So this protein has viroporin action. Okay, so what is viroporin action? So after the formation of new virus in the host cell, it helps in the exit of that virus by making a pore in the cell wall of host. Now next comes the membrane protein denoted by a M. So it is one of the major protein. It is key component of virus assembly and morphogenesis. It helps in the regulation of replication of virus, packing of genomic RNA into the viral particle. So basically membrane protein, it helps in assembling and packing of RNA of newly formed virus. Now comes the nucleocapsid denoted by N. It is encoded by a 9th ORF, that is open reading frame of the virus. It contains 4419 amino acids. The structure is divided into two parts, that is intrinsically disordered regions called as IDRs and conserved structural regions. The IDR, they contain three domains. First is NR central, second is SIR rich flexible linker region, and third is C tail. And conserved structural regions divided into two parts, that is N terminal domain and C terminal domain. So this nucleocapsid, it helps in genomic encapsulation. So what is this encapsulation? So encapsulation is the package of viral genome into RNP, that is ribonucleocapsid complex. Now comes the RNA. So RNA of the COVID-19 is single stranded, so we call it as ssRNA. A very important question from exam point of view. It is plus sense RNA virus, 30 kb in length. The RNA has 5' cap and 3' poly A tail, and it acts as mRNA for intermediate translation of viral polyproteins. Now next is hemagglutinin esterase. It is a glycoprotein which is present in some variants of coronavirus, and it helps in invasion of the virus. Also again exam question, that is it is mushroom shaped, consisting of a stalk and a round head like a mushroom. It is dimer transmembrane protein, consists of two monomers. Each monomer contains three domains. First is membrane fusion, then esterase, then receptor binding domain. Especially the beta coronavirus subgroup A have these proteins. So this video was regarding the basic structure of corona, important dates, and also the introduction of coronavirus. And in next video I will be covering the clinical presentation of the coronavirus. So to be notified, do subscribe this channel. Thank you.